In this video, we will show you how to install the UPrint drivers on your Mac laptop. To begin, open a web browser window and navigate to miami.edu/uprint. From the UPrint page, click Download Drivers on the bottom right corner. Now, scroll down and select a driver according to your class enrollment and system type. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to open the installer. Next, double-click the pop-up package file. Now, click Continue. Click Continue again, and then click Install. Type in your computer password and click Install Software. Once the installation is complete, click Close. Then, click Move to Trash. The UPrint drivers are now installed on your Mac laptop. When sending a job to UPrint, select UPrint BW or UPrint Color from the list of printers. Then click Print. As the pop-up window appears, enter your cane ID and password and give the print job a name. Then click Print. This will send the print job to the UPrint servers. You can then visit any UPrint printer on campus, swipe your cane card, or log in with your cane ID and password to retrieve your sent jobs.